Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. It's pumpkin time, so I thought, why don't I come out with this recipe of a spiced pumpkin puree muffin. And here it is. I'm just taking it out of its case. It is crunchy on the outside, which I was quite surprised, and amazingly soft in the inside. See that? And smells divine too. So we're standing in my kitchen, so let's get cooking. So let's get straight into the recipe. We are going to use 1.5 cups of sesame seed flour. Yes, I'm using a new flour. All you have to do is take roasted sesame seeds and blitz them in the blender. I'm using the NutriBullet, and that becomes your sesame seed flour. It's going to be a little sticky, this flour, but that's how we want it. It will work even better in the muffins. So you put it into a mixing bowl and just give it a little toss around. And now we are going to begin putting in all the spices, the cinnamon, the ginger, and the nutmeg and the baking powder, and then we add the 1 cup of a sweetener and we give it all a good mix. A bit of that video got cut off, that's why I put it as a picture message. Okay, now we take another mixing bowl and we put in 4 eggs and give it a good whisk with a hand mixer. We want it nice and frothy. That's where we want it to be. And now into that we are going to add our melted butter, 1/4 cup. We're going to add our vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of cream. And that's all gone in now. And again another quick mix with the hand blender. And now it's time to mix in our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. There's still one more ingredient, of course the star of the show, which also needs to come into this mixture. Okay, now we've put in 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour. I put it later and at the end because I want to thicken it and I wanted to see what the mixture will be like. You can even put it in the beginning with your dry ingredients. And in goes 1/2 cup of the pumpkin puree. Now I've taken a muffin pan and I've lined it with my muffin liners, and yeah, I'm going to fill it up to 3/4 of the distance, and it's ready for the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And here they are out of the oven. They came out perfect. My entire kitchen is smelling of all the spices. This pumpkin time is absolutely amazing. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Take care. Bye then. All my written recipes are on my Instagram page at Recipes Low Carb Keto. Please do join me there too.